Hi, welcome to Chef Tips UK with me, Chef Ricky. Today, really easy, really simple, 3 egg omelette. So many things you can get wrong with this, even though it is really simple. So, to start, got a little metal bowl here, 3 eggs. 3 egg omelette for a reason. It contains 3 eggs. Who knew? So, I'm just going to break them eggs into there. Just put my shells in my little food waste. Whisk up. Don't season them till the eggs are cooking. Never leave salt in raw eggs, because it sort of like cures them and you'll just get like a rubbery texture. We're just going to whisk these eggs up for about a minute. I've got a pan on here, got it on like quite low. Well, that's quite high. Turn it on just quite low. That pan's warmed up a bit. I'm just going to knob the butter in there. This is just a really simple way of making an omelette. Right, so once your butter's all melted and we've been whisking this egg, so look how frothy and creamy that egg has got. You want it like that. Just going to go straight in there with that really light airy egg mix. I'm going to turn up the heat a bit, and all we're going to do is just gently cook it. Just rolling it round. I'm just scraping it from the side of the pan. Rolling it around a bit more. I mean, you can see how good this non-stick pan is. It's literally not sticking whatsoever. Spoon that mixture. Let's turn that down a bit. It's about cooked. So this runny bit here, we just want to sort of scrape that over. Right, so now the egg's almost cooked, that's when we add our seasoning. Freshly cracked black pepper, plenty of fresh sea salt, a little touch of cheese on there, use whatever cheese you want, a little bit more cheese, and all we're going to do, grab a plate, and we're literally just going to slip it onto the plate like that. This is a cheating way of doing it. And then we're literally just going to roll the omelette. Clean that plate up a bit. Finish with some freshly chopped parsley. And there you have it. 3 egg omelette. Really easy, really simple. Takes less than a minute to cook. So healthy breakfast. I mean, you don't have to use butter. You can use some low fat spray if you want. Easy breakfast, healthy breakfast in minutes. So time to taste it. I'm using a spoon here, so it's all I have. Just get a blow. Really nice. Really nicely seasoned as well. That sea salt. Makes so much difference. So much better than table salt. The egg's still soft. It just literally melts in your mouth. Mmm.
So full. Really hot. Is that a good zoom up on it?
Of course.
A little hot.
So there you have it. 3 egg omelette in a matter of minutes. Easy, simple, anyone can do it. All you need is a good non-stick frying pan, nice little spatula, boom, job's done. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, links are in the description below. Hit us up on them. Let me know what you want to see me cook next. Any questions, anything like that, drop it in the comment section. I'll get straight back to you. And until next time, keep on chefing.